Hi guys, I've got an unboxing for you today, and today I'm unboxing the October edition of Pink Parcel. I've had this for a little while, actually I haven't had time to do the video, but here we are, I'm all ready for you now. This one arrived and it's a bit bashed. They don't always arrive like this. They are supposed to be able to get them through the majority of letterboxes, and they obviously must have tried. They don't normally try, but they must have tried with this one. Hence it's got a bit squashed. Never mind, I haven't opened it though, so peel back the tag and see what's inside. Oh, okay. Right, so if you've never had a pink parcel or seen any pink parcel unboxing videos before, pink parcel is basically a box that makes you feel a little bit better at that time of the month. Contains sanitary protection and usually something to cheer you up and make those days just a little bit better. I've actually just finished my period, so a bit late, but never mind. So that's what this one looks like. And you also get it's telling you a little bit about Betty Box, which is basically the one for teenagers. I'm sorry, my hair's driving me mad today. For teenagers, so it's a younger version. And Pink Parcel Post, and this is the Barefaced Beauty Edit, which tells you a little bit more about what's in the box. First of all, you get your sanitary protection. Oh, you've got an oops. Okay, they've run out of the requested brand of tampons, type of tampons that I requested, so they've sent me an alternative, which I presume will be alright. It's all quality, it's all branded things that you sent. This is a little bag. Now these bags are perfect for your handbag. Now they used to do a plain black and pink design, but they're actually branching out and making pretty designs of these now. This one's got a palm tree on. So we have some, which ones are these? These are Tampax Compacts pearls, so they're the mini ones. So some of those, and some panty liners. But you can request all tampons, all sanitary pads, or a combination. I usually get a combination box because I prefer towels for overnight, because you know, when you've got sleeping problems, you don't know how long you're going to sleep for. I can sleep for 17 hours at a trot, so I like to be safe, and obviously you shouldn't keep tampons in for that long, so I get a mixed box. So that's that. Then you get a for night time, so they're all nighttime pads in there, and you also get for later, which contains a combination of pads and tampons in this case. Now, that's all well and good, and obviously very useful, you need all that, but this is the thing that's exciting for you. A little something to cheer you up. And this is what we got. So that's what it looks like inside. And this little booklet usually tells you what's inside, so you can have a little read. So, welcome to your Barefaced Beauty Edit. In October's Barefaced Beauty Edit, worth over £45, we're getting back to basics. Because a soft dewy makeup look and a longer lie-in go hand in hand when the cool weather hits. It's supposed to snow in the UK this weekend. Snow? Seriously? It's October still. Anyway. You'll be delighted to unwrap a curation of products that will help your skin looking natural best, from an energising 1-minute mask with Mudmasky, which peps up your complexion with Arabica coffee, to the best-selling cleansing gel from the Organic Pharmacy. Win back those precious extra minutes in bed and hit refresh in your morning routine by embracing a simple skin-focused regime using this month's heroes. Okay, so first thing we have is the Organic Pharmacy Rose Facial Cleansing Gel, and that is a 20ml bottle. So it's a good size to try, brilliant for travel as well. I don't think I've actually ever tried this, but it sounds lovely, and I'm actually going to have a little sniff, see what it smells like. Doesn't smell quite as strong as I'd hoped, but it's very gentle, sort of rose geranium scent, but that's what that is. I'll see what it says. Mix a small amount with water and massage into damp skin. Refreshing combination of aloe, rosehip, rose and bilberry means skin is deeply cleansed and conditioned, leaving you with a luminous natural complexion. The price they've given is £49 for 100ml, and that is This is a 20ml, as I say, so in the description box I'll try and give you an indication of just how much that's worth. So that's the first thing. Number 2, okay, I've actually got one of these. I don't think it's the same brand that I've got, but I have got one of these already. I can't reach it. It is a Kawaii Enterprise Lilac Brush Cleaning Egg. Now, I'm not going to take it out. I'm going to leave it in just till I use it. So but that's what it looks like anyway. These are full size and it's $6.99. Wet your makeup brushes, add a little cleanser, then sweep over the egg. The nodules at the top create a lather while the deeper grooves remove product buildup and realign bristles. Clean tools make clearer skin, so don't forget that important step. That's what it looks like. The lilac thing that you can see there. As I say, I've got one. I don't think mine's the same brand. Oh, that's sun, that's sun. I don't think it's the same brand, but they're really good. They make it a lot easier. Can you see me here? This is terrible. I'm not expecting the sun to come out like this, and it's annoying me. Yeah, so yeah, I use these anyway, and they make it a lot easier because there's less fiddling and squishing yourself. Please, it's going. The sun is going, thankfully. Right, that's better. So yeah, that's that. So they're always useful. Mudmasky. Now, I've had a few Mudmaskys in various beauty boxes, but I don't think I've actually got around to trying any of them lately. This is the Mudmasky Morning Boost Mask. Now, I definitely haven't tried this one before. Apply a thin layer to your face in the morning and let it work its magic in just 1 minute. Rinse off to reveal revitalised skin that's ready to take on the day. Premium Arabica, is it Arabica? Arabica? Coffee, Moroccan lava clay and Indonesian flowers lift, smooth and energise. And this again is a 20ml size. The full size for the 60ml is £60. So I guess you could say 20 mils, £20. I guess you could say that. I'll try and look that up and get a better idea anyway. But that's that. Next, ooh, we have tea. Do you know what it is? I get these tea bags, you know, and I hardly ever see any of them. I put them in the kitchen. Next thing I know, my mum's like, oh, that was nice. Or, oh, that was strange. Oh, that made us go to the toilet. Yeah. So basically, my mum tends to drink these if I leave them in the kitchen. This is the Tea Plus Immunitea Orange and Blueberry Green Tea and Vitamins. 1 bag, as I say. Boost your immune system before the flu season kicks in with a blend of green tea, orange and blueberry, echinacea and ginseng that makes the ideal brew for autumn winter. 1 cup contains half the daily recommended allowance of vitamin C. A box, it's $3.69 for a box of 15, so I'll try and work that out and give you an idea of what 1 bag would cost. So that's that. Next. What's in it for me? Aloe vera, witch hazel and grapefruit extract to cleanse along with peppermint and rosemary oil to invigorate the skin and the body. Body cleanser. Totally selfish, indulgent and in love with yourself products. Struggling to wake up in the morning? Add some zinc to your shower routine with this lively combination of grapefruit, peppermint and witch hazel. The invigorating cleanser gives skin the injection of life that it needs. I'm trying to smell it, but I can't. Sealed up. Whoa. Okay, it is sealed up, but I can actually smell it through the foil. I can definitely smell the grapefruit. Yeah. It smells quite citrusy, quite zingy, so I think that would be really good for morning for when you really can't be bothered to get up in the morning, which is most of the time for me. Never heard of that brand, but I'll definitely give that a go. That's what it looks like. Would be a nice one to get up in the morning, because I know when it's cold and raining and you hear the rain on the window and you think, I don't really want to get up this morning. Never mind. And then what have we got? Bandzee. They've had these in before. They've had these in a few times before, but they are quite useful. If you've got short hair, obviously they're not, but you can always use them as bracelets, I guess. But yeah, Bandzee, and this is the Fawn collection, so it's all browns and beiges. Create a chic updo with this set of snag-free hairbands that come in a beautiful variety of nudes to complement all hair colours. Whether you opt for a polished ponytail, a messy bun or a boho braid, they won't damage your locks. Now that's the key thing, because there's nothing worse than bubbles that pull half your hair out. Yeah, I've done there, been that and all the rest of it, and now I'm always on the lookout. I always try to buy things that I know won't catch, and these definitely don't. $6.95 for a set, so that's $6.95's worth. And finally, the good things. Chocolate, basically. Chocolate and love Orange or Sea Salt Neapolitans. These are beautiful. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love mini chocolate. I love mini anything. I love mini cosmetics. I love mini beauty. I love mini chocolate. Yeah. One of my best ever Christmas presents was the I don't know if you get them anywhere else but in the UK. Basically they're Cadbury's chocolate machines. And it used to be 2p, but now I've noticed they're 10p. And you put the coin in and you got this tiny little bar of Cadbury's Dairy Milk. Yeah, the only trouble was it was really hard to actually find the bars to refill them if you didn't live near a Cadbury store. But anyway, they were brilliant. I love mini chocolate. And what do we get? Want more cacao and less sugar? We feel you. Made with certified organic, ethically sourced ingredients. We fall in love with these divine chocolates that come in with pretty hand-painted illustrations on the wrapper. Dark chocolate with orange, 65% cocoa. It doesn't even give a size on these because they're so small. But they're beautiful. They're really pretty. Really pretty. Have I got 2 orange? Yeah, I've got 2 orange. The other option was sea salt, but I've got orange ones. But orange and chocolate is a fabulous combination, especially in the autumn winter. And who doesn't like a Terry's chocolate orange in their stocking at Christmas? For years, I never thought I liked them. My dad used to love anything fruit and chocolate. So he used to love chocolate oranges, and for some reason everyone thought that I didn't like them. So I didn't actually get one until I said, excuse me, I quite like these as well, you know. And they were like, oh, I didn't think you liked them. Just assume things. Right, what can we say about this then? For my family life. I'm not going to lie, I don't think this is the best box that I've ever had. There's not a huge amount of full sizes in there. I love makeup in a box. I love accessories. That said, I probably will use everything. The brush cleaning eggs, as I say, are really useful. I do have one, but it's always good to have a spare. Shower gel, I think smells fabulous. Interested to try the Organic Pharmacy. I'm always on the lookout for new cleansing gels actually. Because obviously I use like a balm cleanser at night time. I think I'm currently using, I've just finished some cleansing polish and I'm using some Elemis cleansing balm at the minute. But for a daytime, I like something a bit lighter. I do actually like a wash, as most people say you shouldn't put anything that frothers on your face. I do actually like a bit of foam and wash. But that sounds really nice and that sounds quite gentle, so I definitely look forward to using that. Hair bubbles, always useful. And morning boost mask, I'll definitely give that a go as well. Sometimes my skin looks a bit grey in the morning, so hopefully that will help. And of course, chocolate. What's not to love about chocolate? So let me know your thoughts on this box in the comments. Let me know what you think about those. And yeah, I will put links to below for prices where I can estimate. Now it might be a bit hard this time because there's a lot of minis in this one, but I'll do my best. What else? Yeah, I'll also put a link to Pink Parcel so you can have a look on the concept and see what you think about the concept. I think you do get a discount on your first box and what have you. And they do now have a little shop where you can go and buy things that you've seen in boxes and what have you. So there will be an affiliate link there, so just to know it is an affiliate, but you know, by all means click through. And yeah, don't forget to check out my other social media channels. Been a bit quiet on the blog lately, but I am going to try. I have got a couple of posts planned. Well, actually I've got quite a few posts planned. And don't forget to keep an eye on my Instagram as well. I've actually been posting I posted my eye look on my Instagram stories today. I never post makeup looks or anything because I'm really not that good at it, but I have today. But don't forget, you can also have a look at my Instagram stories for hauls, things I don't show on video or on the blog. I've got a cat tab, so you can have a look at all my cat photos that I've posted. Yeah, so by all means check out my other social media channels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you really soon, but I don't really know what it'll be with, but I will try and put something up soon. So thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.